10 times every year on Friendsgiving. The only way I'm eating Friendsgiving dinner. Okay.
So, are you guys like getting the munchies?
Sorry?
I'm just hungry.
That's why I'm saying I should have brought one.
Listen, let me tell you something. Haitian Thanksgiving. Let's get it. Woo, Haitian food. Y'all need to try Haitian food. I'm just trying to eat.
Friendsgiving.
I'm just trying to eat.
I'm with you on that. It was so cute. I'll send you a picture. And I felt like his teeth.
Ooh.
No, that's not true. Wow.
Hola.
Miss Zombie. Miss Zombie. Wow. My God.
We getting
Top
ready.
chef for Lord. Hey.
Oh my
God.
He made the sideways.
I'm sending this to Top Chef Portugal.
Yeah, unrooted finally
They're
running
finally
around.
figuring
Yes,
out.
but
Good.
now it's like
give me an empty
having
plate so I can put
three
the
hyperactive toddlers.
They stuffed the duck inside of the chicken.
The rice
Oh,
inside
the turkey.
Yes.
And how do
Yes.
you eat this? You just
You cut it in pieces.
slice it? Or
Slice it. But usually you put the stuffing around each. The turkey,
I
the
said me about
stuffing,
the
chicken.
The food was so good, I forgot to finish recording. The food was so good, I forgot to finish recording the video, finish recording just the dinner, asking people what they're thankful for. So, man. But listen, you already know what you got to do. Hope you enjoy this little video. Hit that like button, comment below. Let me tell you guys something before I go. Haitian food is the best food in the world. Subscribe to the channel. We out. God bless.